Sure.
Ayish, awusinike.
Awusinike namhlanje bese nemali bese awusinike. Awusinike nemali.
Sure. Bhala amalenze angenasikhathi washo ngilikhohlela irep kumini imali.
Binauza. Awuphethe bafu uphethe.
Sondela please.
Okay.
Sondela. Bhala amalenze angenasikhathi washo ngikhohlela irep iphila phezulu ngoba mina ngaphakathi phinde ngibhalela wahead ngoba nginakulifta insimbi. Angiphela ukuphumelela kwamanje ngisaveza italent kwirapper ne awume phezulu yazini akawuyeke ubhesi phezulu siqale
Chisa chisa kulu bro, chisa kulu. Chisa lelang.
Ke manje.
Ke o ka mo next door. Ke abo ke o a hlatswang dikolo ka mo.
Cela ngikuxolisa ingoba utshwala asinabo. Nobunjani na? Sine drink, sinamahewu, sinesidudu. Ukangako sinkosi ningajongi uba saphinde siyongena ekamereni, phinde sibuye. Asinayo ikamera.
Okay, sure. Andiza ngoku juice mosh. Yay!
Children are not meant to be buried by their parents. Parents are the ones who should bury their children.
Which one is that one?
Ibaba kuqala.
Ngithi baba kubani?
Kimi.
Why?
Otherwise angangivuli.
Baba ngicela uvule.
Baba. Ithi baba. Mama ngekungene la.
Uzofonela uwanda ngivulele uzonyasa.
Angeke ungene mama.
Baba ngicela uvule.
Hayi winiki wafethu winiki popo ke popo bantja popo ke popo manjaka popo ke popo xa habo ya winiki bafethu ya winiki akona zoka sira atsotsi latlhile man. There's nothing you can do about it. Se ga ditsebetso tswa mo yone atsotsi latlhile tlasa la kaila ra popo ke popo bafethu.
Hey, Makreza.
Africa, c'est Swatini. C'est South Africa, c'est Swatini.
Uyabona ke enye into xa uyindoda ongamelanga uyenze ilanto yoba xa uthambisa uxhoma umlenze phezulu kwebhedi. Ayiyenzi indoda lonto. Suyenza lonto. Xa uyindoda.
Nekuthambisa njani?
Ufika uxhomile umlenze okanye ubeke phezulu kwesitulo. Uxhomela ntoni uyindoda? Wenzani? Hey? Thambisa indoda mos.
Thini?
Okwesibili.
Kuluse.
Indoda. Isebenza lo mna for uthambisa umlomo yaqona. Qalona. Not lona. Ikhona into off. Oyibona wena awuyondoda. Lo mna ulazy kakhulu lo mna akafana asetshenziswe nje lo mna lo. Indoda especially indoda ayifani usebenzise lo mna. So iyothusa ngokulonto leyo ubone ngendoda seyilapha because the next thing uzobambelela esinqeni. Hey. Okwesithathu. Xa indoda funeka at least ube nayo indawo nayo bubi. Mawungabubuzwa mase ba namankazana akakuqondi kahle ayakuthandabuza because into yakho ayicaci bithini. Bona ibanayo la ndawo yobubi man. Xa uyindoda bonakale but ungathi ufikele kwelazinga loba kuthiwa indoda inhle ngenkomo zayo. Uyabona mase ufikele kwelozinga so sisinqadu nje umbi kakhulu apha. Anditsho uba ibambi kakhulu de kuthiwe indoda inhle ngenkomo zayo. No, at least ibambi uyabonakala uba kuse uyindoda. Yebo lona.
Alright.
Abola ngaphambili emoto emali. Siyabonga manje ukuze noma bezama ukufarisha vele lesitapho sebesibabile ayizolo. Baphuma shawunyawo sithala phansi kanjalo. Ayizolo khobisa phansi lo. Sicela lo. ukuthi angene la akhiphe le mpahla lesikhwama lesi yayizona because isikhwama sespress wa press big dajelela ukuthi ithitha umphakathi mayingena ungena ispress le yakho yayizona thina kumele sithole click button uzopressa le nto.
Excuse me ma'am, 20 rand or double it?
Yeah, machita ninifake nami kwesi scheme. Yashayela ke manje ngu driver. Ndiyayibona ngathi le plan iyahlangana.
For the next person. You can double it for the next person. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. 40 rand or double it for the next person. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, and thank you. Have a good day. Excuse me, sir. 100 rand or double it for the next person.
Yeah.
So,
But I don't want to play.
so for the next person, double it. So double it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Gamdong, come on, 200 rand. Oh shit. Excuse me, brother. 200 rand, or the next person I speak to, I double it for them. 200 for you. You take it. There you go. Man. Have a good one. Yeah. Cheers, man. Have a good day.
Mama made.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Friends.
Government. Democracy. Donald Trump, you are joking.
Sandwich again. It's a very delicious meal we love in Northwest. Re rata tota rena batswana gompieno re rata tota na re sa reng so se tota.
Na pe Northwest.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Hayi ke landoko majita. Hey babe, hayi.
Yeah, I got right.
Hawe ngoba lo mfana walapha na.
Lo usumunqoshela. Akekho.
Akekho wasethe ndwana enkabu. Asibanjiswe intombazana yakhe. Banzela into erape.
Khona umuntu osaripayo. Loklenyo ingakho.
Hey.
Ngoki ilahlwayo.
Ngale ngenzo ngomfana.
Ubanjiwe.
Banzela sebhiji ngo. Ande vona uyovela ngomso ngoba ubanjwa bekuseni.
Leila fika ngapi? Mjayelo.
Ngabe ngithayika into enje nayi. Obejahile uhambe.
Nesikhafuthini yaserama. Hayibo. That's why ngaphathi lunch primary mina. If you want randa yikho, rather ngadli. Uphathe ngento ezingafaniyo, uphathe nangesikhafuthini yase ice cream.
Izolo. Obejahile uhambe izolo. Kushitekisa sentuzuma.
Uyaphila kaninzi. Jangan aja semua.
Mambo.
Ayo, kita dulu main.
Mina mawungafuna ungibhekelela dlula nje hayi indaba ukuthi uzothi hey grand sharp fili angiphenduli into engazi mina sidalo angiphaphile nje angihambi namafashion mina angiphaphile sidalo uzongijoyinisa ama-Illuminati akho la sawubona insizwa yakithi kunjani hayi siyaphila mfethu singezwa nini yebo singaneno kupheli ke sharp fili ini ngisiphendula into engazi mina
Zippy potholes. South Africa mozi kwa pothole nje. Ziphi ngoxa zinideka. Hayibo. Ayifuna overtake let's be nethemba.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
There must have been an angel by my side. Something.
Makholazo udlala challenge. Kwenzekani ngo? Ikhwala ledlala challenge.
Look at the sky. Only in Cape Town will you see such cock.
Yeah, we're not gonna beg you. We're not gonna beg you. iPhone users, we're never gonna beg you. We'll take content with our own phones, and we're not gonna beg anyone. Yeah, we're gonna use our own phones.
Kubroke ngisho abathaka asisadli lutho nje emaphupheni.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we wrap it up, Art Matthews.
Nkosi sikelele Afrika malupakaniswe zinyu Miss Kuzi, I'm so nervous. This is such a big honor for me. Malupakaniswe Tanduayo Izwe mitandazo yetu Kosi Sikelela Tina Lusapulwayo Morena Bulu Kezentramusaweti
Chat, this is my first time in South Africa. Chat, what language do they speak here though, bro? Excuse me. What language do y'all speak here in South Africa? So what's the language? Xhosa. Xhosa. Chat, they speak Xhosa here, bro. Xhosa. You speak Xhosa? What's the Xhosa word?
That's Naba.
Wait, what the?
It means pot.
What was that?
Naba.
Naba.
My name, yeah.
Oh, your name's Naba?
Naba, it means pot.
Oh, damn. Naba. So what is my name in Kosanian? My name's Speed.
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 Yeah.
Shesha.
Shesha.
Chuban.
Whether you are Benda, you are Bed, you are Tswana. So in as much as bengi engikhuluma indlela engikhuluma ngakhona ikwerekwere uyabona ubumnyama nje umuntu engakusukela kuthi uyikwerekwere but uma ufike Limpopo nesizulu sakho uyikwerekwere Limpopo uma ufike Western Cape uyikwerekwere Western Cape nelanguage yakho yakaZulu la uvela khona. So abantu they think ukuthi ikwerekwere bewuyikwerekwere because bavela ngaphandle as much as there are ama natives ahlanganiswa no Zimbabwe noba nakhona kusiyinhlamba ngokwamangoni.
Uyaphosisa lo mama awusuka eKZN uye Western Cape ufika ubele ikwerekwere pa so which is la usuka eKZN uze Eastern Cape ufika ubele ikwerekwere napa yamvala bamuthini ayini badoda. If you see me for the first time, igama lami ngu-Amani. The channel I'm bringing you the best of local content, so if that's what you're into, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.